Then pilot Richard Searfoss will guide Atlantis to a distance of about 600 feet away from the Earth to perform 2 complete fly-arounds before firing its jet to depart the vicinity.
Little speck was bouncing like this.
Spirit 76 is ready to fly, and God bless you and your great young team that give us this opportunity.
Why do you look cold?
Because it's 40 degrees in sunny Florida.
I copy.
Hi, Pat.
Hi.
Okay.
Damn cold. Come to sunny Florida.
The liquid hydrogen tanks now being pressurized for flight. All systems are go for launch at this time. Just a few minutes away from the 16th voyage of Atlantis with a crew of 6.
UTC, clear caution and warning memory, verifying no unexpected error. Speed 02 flow, and it's just about time for the Spirit 76 to wake up the space coast, so have a great flight. Yeah, we'll put that in work. Thanks very much. Yeah, that's what ET, LH2, preservation.
Six-member crew is about to embark on the first day of the 9-day flight, beginning of Shannon Lucid's 4.5-month stay aboard the Mir space station. Got a 6-hour spacewalk. This marks the 3rd flight of the shuttle to the Mir link-up. From now through 1998, there will be an American astronaut aboard the Mir space station. And that's very long contract. Okay, this is the first of the present.
1 minute.
Less than 1 minute away now from the launch of Atlantis. Atlantis will be launched on a northerly trajectory, inclined 51.6 degrees to the equator. T-minus 40 seconds. This marks the 13th night launch in the history of the shuttle program.
You ready, guys?
Atlantis' onboard computers have control of vehicle functions. T-minus 20 seconds. Thousands of gallons of water will be dumped on the launch platform to help absorb the shock of the 7 million pounds of thrust. 9. We have a go for engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Booster ignition and liftoff of Atlantis on the 3rd shuttle Mir docking flight.
Great.
Roger roll, Atlantis.
God, this thing won't even focus.
Facing Atlantis on the proper heading. Begin engine.
This thing won't even focus.
Apparently not. It's too bright.
Yep. There's a sound from it.
Engines are throttling back now, pushing to ease the buildup of aerodynamic loads on the vehicle as Atlantis continues to accelerate rapidly to the Denver altitude, traveling now over 650 miles per hour. 5:48 seconds. All systems are performing well. Atlantis is now moving 6 period of maximum dynamic pressure. And the engines are falling back up. Atlantis, clear throttle up. Clear throttle. All engines are now running at full throttle. All systems are performing well. Altitude is now 62,000 feet. Atlantis is traveling over 1,000 miles per hour.
After about 2 minutes in, the boosters fall up.
Atlantis continues to climb at a relatively steep angle at this point, relying heavily on the solid rocket boosters to triple its rate of speed over the next 60 seconds. Delivering a combined 6.5 million pounds of thrust, the boosters will burn out and separate at 2 minutes 6 seconds. Time now 1 minute 52 seconds. Solid rocket booster compressors beginning to tail off, signaling the burnout of the twin boosters.
Thing's already almost on site, huh?
Just a bright star now.
That's all it looks like in
This
here.
is a good preparation. Atlantis is now flying free, powered by its own main engine. Second stage guidance is now in effect. Altitude now 178,000 feet. Downrange distance 38 miles. Atlantis, performance nominal. Atlantis, 2-engine tail. With 3 engines burning at 104% rated thrust, the boosters have done their job as designed, the main engines as well, and Atlantis can now cross the Atlantic with only 2 engines should one fail. Again, all engines are performing well. Altitude is now 230,000 feet, downrange distance 58 nautical miles. Atlantis is traveling over 3,200 miles per hour.
Home fast.
3,200.
At 3 minutes 5 seconds, Atlantis' flight path is already beginning to level out a bit, lightening its load as propellant burns off and continuing its rapid acceleration. All systems are continuing to perform very well. Time now 3 minutes 19 seconds.
The walkway. This is the nose cone. This is supposed to be a full-scale replica of the shuttle. The replica of the Explorer. Walking under it. Decks.
That opened up where you see them when they're out spacewalking. Well, they open up this section of it, and it has all the stuff that they're going to send out into our workflow.
And you take things like this and then just drop them in outer space?
They fill it in the arm, they'll grab a hold of it, put it out there, let it go, put it in orbit. Or you'll pick up some, they've picked up satellites.
There's like a rubberized, leather, I think that would get punctured easily.
Look, here's their toilet.
Very private, isn't it? That's the hatch where they come in?
The large payload bay area is 50 feet in length, 15
Is this where they sit the whole time?
payloads are attached to special pallets.
What are they doing here?
This is where they do some of their experiments.
And you can see the three,
Want your hand out.
you can see the 3 seats up in front. This is where the airlock, where they come between here and the other. So they get in there, it's sucked out, and then they can come through here into the payload. I mean, it's pressurized.
So that they can, just like the
And you're hearing this lovely thing behind us?
The toilet. Right in there, it's the great famous vacuum.
We hope you enjoy
This
your
is the
tour.
top of it.
Remarkable vehicle.
You can see these are the bay doors up and through here. Here's the big arm that comes through. And there's the inside. What's this in here, guys?
seats down there are for the
As you can
space
see,
rocket, and
the
then
Space
pilot
Shuttle
can
Explorer
stand
is
there.
very much like an actual working orbiter. If you would like to tour the Kennedy Space Center and see the areas where space shuttles are processed and launched, you can do so aboard one of our guided air-conditioned tour buses. Tickets for these tours are available at the Ticket Pavilion,
all that
located
stuff.
in the center of the spaceport.
The next level of the payload bay. You can see this is just aluminum or something right there. They have sprinkler systems in it.
You are now standing on the flight deck of the Space Shuttle Explorer. Explorer is a full-scale model of Space Shuttle orbiter. This exhibit, like each of NASA's 4 operational Space Shuttle vehicles, is 122 feet long, over 56 feet high, and has a wingspan of 78 feet. Explorer is equipped with 6 pilots, all of which have actually flown on previous missions.
The flight deck.
The upper deck is where you would find the workstations of a space shuttle's commander and pilot.
You're saying base, you're getting your helium. Okay, A's 2 are DPC, verify. B's 2 are O prime, verify. Check. Okay, I'm going up. Waiting for 2 minutes.
This is where the 2 would sit at the control panels during launch, landing, and special maneuvers. The commander would sit in the left-hand chair, and the pilot would sit to his right.
Houston, energy, ground track, and nav are all go.
All switches on Explorer's panels are in the exact configuration to reflect a recent landing. A space shuttle re-enters the atmosphere at approximately 17,000 miles per hour. It reduces its speed in a series of S-turns as it glides toward the Earth. Sonic waves set up by an orbiter's nose cap and wings cause an overpressure, resulting in twin sonic booms, signifying landing is imminent. The Explorer is